I finally went shopping and bought a few art supplies. I finally bought a Tombow Mono Zero eraser, which I've been planning to buy for a really long time. I also bought a white jelly roll pen for extremely highlighted areas, and a Staedtler 4B because my last pencil is almost over. Hi guys, my name is Kundan Tiwari and I do pencil drawings. And welcome back to the second episode of The Old Man. The reason why I chose this particular reference photo was because drawing these glasses and the scratches on them would be a really difficult task, and I deliberately choose those projects which are more difficult than the previous one. It helps me learn a lot during the process. I tried shading grid by grid like some of the senior artists, but it felt more easy shading one part of the face at a time. And what I generally do is I take inspiration from other artists, try their process, use it for some time, and then modify that according to my needs and according to my liking. I was not sure how to draw the pores and the creases correctly. For that, I made random dots and erased fine lines around them to make it appear like pores and creases in the skin. All these random dots should be made after analyzing the highlights and the order in which the creases are present. For example, on the tip of the nose, the creases and pores are present in a circular manner, so they should be drawn accordingly. As I was saying earlier, I am currently trying to get the correct skin tone and then erasing and making pencil markings randomly, but that too in a circular manner. I am taking the most highlighted part as the center of all the concentric circular creases and pores, and I'm also constantly observing the reference photo so that I don't go overboard with it. Sometimes what I do is, in order to get more and more details in the sketch, I tend to make the sketch a bit unrealistic by adding more than enough details in the sketch. That is why I constantly observe the reference photo to avoid doing such things. To make the highlighted areas more prominent, I'm using a white jelly roll pen and then lightly smudging those harsh white lines made with jelly roll pen with blending stump, which already has some graphite on it. Jelly roll pen has been quite some help because getting really white lines and areas is next to impossible with any eraser, be it the Tombow Mono eraser or any simple eraser. It may seem expensive if you are just starting out, but there is a cheaper alternative that you can use, which is a whitener, which is a lot cheaper than the jelly roll pen. But the main problem with it is not precise if you compare it with the jelly roll pen, but you can work around with it. Currently, I'm not solely relying on the reference photo. I'm actually observing the drawing and making markings for the creases in the skin based on that, while keeping the reference photo in mind. Thank you guys for sticking till the end, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get regular updates from this channel.